check out our new long-lasting Glowify eyeshadow sticks. They are a wind pen and they have an inbuilt sharpener in case it ever starts to go a little blunt and you want that pointed tip for extra precision. I'm starting with the Glowify in the shade Champagne on the upper cheekbone, the brink of the nose, and the Cupid's bow. These products are so easy to work with that you can actually blend them out with your finger. I'm even highlighting my chin, so as you can see, you don't just have to use them on your eyes, you can literally use them all over the face. Here I'm continuing with the Champagne in the inner corner, and then I've switched to the rose gold on the base of my lid. The Glowify sticks are jam-packed with shimmer and are so simple to work with, they're perfect for beginners. Switching to the bronze taupe on the outer corner of my lid just for some extra definition there on the outer edge of the eye, and I'm blending that up and out with a fluffy shadow brush. To create a bit of a wing, I come in with the final shade, Cocoa, and because this one already has the pointed tip, I can just go right in and apply that wing, super simple. You can either blend that out with a brush, or I show you that you can also blend it with your finger as well. It's that simple to work with, they're so moldable. These products also contain nourishing ingredients within and are anti-aging. Coming back in with the Champagne Glowify, I've just highlighted my brow bone there. These new Glowify sticks are a game changer to our range.